Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Renat Hasanov and I am a registered investment advisor in Russian Federation, but we are going to speak about American market. I am presenting to you our website ftinvest.us. We offer to you the service of which allow you to follow our portfolio. Our portfolio has very good records. You can see that since 16 years we've been growing much faster than S&P 500, and doing that nearly all the years during this very long period of time. And I think you should consider doing that, subscribing to our service and following our portfolio. We only invest in undervalued shares. We do calculation, estimation, as you can see, of value of many American companies every week. There is a lot of calculation in our website. Please subscribe, and you have an access to all this value estimations made by us. So to the result of our portfolio, you can see we have a rather slow growth, 0.42% per week. Also, our result is still rather good, but in our portfolio there is a lot of cash still. I've been waiting for the fall of American markets all the summer, but in the previous week I told you that S&P 500 and all other indexes are quite stable, and we can say that this week has shown that I was right, and there is still rather stable picture in the American market. Even shutdown, nothing affects the market growth. But let's go and let's see what is happening in the S&P and other indices. So, as you can see, S&P 500 index has grown 1.09% per week, and has its year-to-date results are quite good, more than 14% per year. And you can see that the movement is, in other hand, is not very fast. There is no rallies at all in any days since June, for example. But the market is still growing, but growing with a slow race. Hard to say what forces, maybe, I don't know, this all related things, maybe something other, but as you can see, the market is still showing a lot of strength. We don't invest in stocks that drives S&P 500 higher. Also, we do not invest in stocks that drive NASDAQ Composite Index. The bubble is just going bigger and bigger in my view. This is not my view. I'm quite sure about that. Yes, the bubble here about 5, maybe 6 years, but we can still think, I still think that sometimes all the bubbles burst. So not now, not in the next week, but it will happen. It will happen, but there is no technical pattern saying that I don't see any fall of any crash of American market. There could be some news, maybe news related fall, but which news? Even the shutdown of American government is not a problem for market. It's not a problem at all. So we think that maybe there will be some slowing in the growth. Maybe market will begin going flat. But still, I think that market gonna be stable in the next week. But there are some signs of worrying. First of all, it's the US dollar index. I showed to you in the previous week the market was there, and now it's and told you that US dollar index gonna fall, and it has fallen. It had fallen and forming a new one, additional one technical picture showing the weakness of US currency. In my view, it will not help the market, but some kind of help there could be, because when dollar are going weaker, the export of USA is going to be bigger, but this also going to be better pictures because of many American companies are international ones, and they are doing business in all the countries, and there are some things that about 14% of S&P 500 revenue are related with not US operation of American companies. So this is gonna be a good thing for market too, but I'm not sure. Also, there is still rather good model, rather strong model of falling in US government bonds yield. So it helps markets because the estimation valuation are depressed because of discount rate is going to be lower. So this is the logic of market, and until we see some movement to the up in American yield, we will see very strong S&P 500 or NASDAQ. Also, finishing, I showed it to you in the previous week, you can watch the video, that there is a strong picture in Dow Jones, and you can see Dow Jones has risen, but it was unable to came through this resistance line. So also there was a record fixed in a Friday. Then the market has fallen to the, maybe it's a record, I don't know, but this could be a problem for Dow Jones, but I think it's gonna go up next. So to the conclusion, in my view, American market are still stable. Also, I think that there is a bubble, but the bubble will not burst suddenly until we see some technical pictures. I don't see any technical signs of weakness. Maybe this RCI, but I'm not sure. So please watch our video, please subscribe to our service, go to our website, follow our Twitter account, and you will see all the update by us. We are doing that every single day. Thank you very much.